anybody remember this story?
This is the tale of England's educational divide. While children at this nursery in Trowbridge are learning important lessons that should help them get better results when they go to school, many of the country's poorest youngsters are still lagging behind. Despite being entitled to free education, almost half of disadvantaged 2-year-olds aren't taking it up. As the parent of a toddler, Craig isn't surprised.
I don't think the information is readily available, possibly. I know that the only reason that we know about it is through the people that we get childcare through telling us. So if you didn't get childcare anyway, I think possibly there's not a way of knowing about it.
Education watchdog Ofsted says children from poor families could be up to 19 months behind the rest of the class when they start school. Yet more than 100,000 2-year-olds eligible for 15 hours free early education aren't using it. And only 9% of 2-year-olds in schools are on a funded place.
We know that children from poor families don't do as well as those from better off backgrounds. And if we're really serious as a country about improving social mobility, that 19-month gap has to be made up in the early years.
You have the new Black Princess bedroom.
But getting 2-year-olds to take the free places is only one part of the problem. Many nurseries say they're already full and can't fit them in.
Parents are often quite shocked at how little availability there is. They think that they can, find a nursery that's local to them, that's within their perimeters of living, and then are really quite disappointed that there isn't any availability.
So how do you remove the obstacles and close the gap between rich and poor? Ofsted wants more schools to let in toddlers and thinks health visitors should tell families what support is available. Giving toddlers a strong educational start can make a difference to their whole lives. Figures show teenagers from disadvantaged backgrounds often get lower GCSE results. So changes are vital to ensure all kids get the same chances. Although the majority of nurseries, schools and childminders are providing good or outstanding education to preschoolers, many believe more money and staff are needed to help children from all backgrounds reach their full potential. Siobhan Robbins, Sky News in Trowbridge.